Again, this word hog, which we've had two other times meaning completely different things. Here's the third thing that's used for. Okay, to say he tried is he gave an attempt. Hog kolam iri is he gave an attempt. Hog she iri. Okay, so if you want to say he tried to do it, sentence A down there. Hog she iri yenav. Okay, so first hog she iri is something like he gave an attempt, and you have to use there. So it's something like, gave he an attempt on it to do, ayena. Okay? He tried to do it. There's another expression, which is slightly different, and you can say, hog she'iracht ayena. Hog she'iracht ayena. And it means the same thing. And it's just different expressions, you'll see them both. Okay? And another one, which is common, is rinya she'iracht ayena. He made an attempt it to do. Okay, so in the third one there's no error. So when you use hog, then you have error with it. Okay, but you'll see all three of them. So it's basically the idea is either giving or making an attempt to do something. Okay. Now, if you want to say someone succeeded in doing something, you say sentence D. He succeeded in doing it. Dairi lesh eyena. Literally, it rose with him, it to do, and that's where you get the road rise with you. It has nothing to do with anything going up or down or in and out or upside down or whatever. It's just the expression in Irish. You use the word iri with le means to succeed. Something to iri with you means you to succeed with that thing. Okay?
Rose with you, huh?
Yeah, it just means it's the word iri, and I suppose as opposed. Yeah, well, we're going to talk actually about how you say you don't succeed in a second here. Okay, so jairi lesh area, if you succeeded in doing it. So the expression gonairi and boherlat just means may the road or the journey succeed with you. May your journey succeed. There's no idea in there of anything going up or down. Okay, not having a steady incline or anything, nothing like that. Okay.
That was a really long, confusing class, by the way.
Okay, so. Sentencing, now if you want to say he failed to do something, use the expression hep So, hep ayena. Okay, and the part that says that it's him is the part, it means on him. Okay, so that's going to change if you want to say someone else failed to do something. So I have the example now in sentence F and G of how you say I succeeded in doing it or I failed to do it. So I succeed jairi lom ayena. So literally it rose with me it to do, or okay, that's the little words, but it really just means I succeeded in doing it. And if I fail to do it, hep oram eayenav.
What does hate mean?
Hep means failed. Okay? So, and it fails on you to do something. Okay? So how would you say then she succeeded in doing it? Jairi lay ayena. Okay, so this part, the left part, tells you who it is who's succeeding or failing with. Okay, or succeeding. And how about she failed to do it? Okay, hep urhi. So it failed on her. Okay, and that's one thing in Irish, and probably you thought about it in English too, but is that the fact that you succeed this way is a completely different expression to fail. Okay? You could say near iri lay, she didn't succeed also. Near hep urhi, she didn't fail.
So the lay is with her?
Yeah, it's with her, and here it's on her. Okay? Alright, and you just have to learn. As you've seen in several places here, particularly when you look at the word hog in a few different cases, that you have to learn a combination of words in Irish to know what they mean. It's a combination of iri plus le is to succeed, not iri by itself.
Success is with you and failure is on you.
Yeah, basically. You can think of it that way. Whatever you want to do to try to remember it, but the important thing, iri by itself does not mean succeed.
No.
Oh.
It doesn't really, normally if something just iri, then it rises.
When
But it also means to get up, so you have to kind of know when it means with le, it usually means to succeed.
So that's how you tell someone to get out of bed in the morning, is use iri.
Yeah, iri. Yeah. Okay. All right. So back to the main sentence. So hog column iri is column made an attempt. To or on a blouse a oskuch, so it's her blouse a oskuch to open. But hip it failed on him or he failed. Graim is a grip or graim a vray to get or to get, I guess, to grasp, a grip to grasp, I guess you can think of. Na knappi on the buttons. Knappe with an E at the end is a button, knappi are buttons.
That's really dry.
Okay?
You should hold on your phone.
Yeah. The word bre, by the way, does anyone know any words with word bre in it?
Break?
Bre?
Oh, the salmon?
Brekla.
Birthday.
Brekla's birthday. Bre is related to the word rog, which is also rogu, is born. So that's bre is to bear. So Brekla is the day of your bearing. And rogume, I was born. It's the same word actually. It's just different forms of the same word. And bre here means to grab or to catch. Okay? And that's where it probably makes sense for the birth thing. Okay? You don't really, yeah. Okay, Ibra Hochje, number 18. All sheer door kira de hoger maltach her etchoga erachri. So all is drink, sheer is back. So drink it back, or drink it down, okay? A door kira, said kira, de hoger is in a whisper. Okay, we had earlier that she spoke Geall being ishul. You know, she spoke with a sweet low voice. In this case, with an enticing whisper, Jehoger malta. So when you want to say how someone says something, use the word je with whatever kind of voice they use for it. Okay, you can say jeskrad. What would be jeskrad be? Yeah, with a scream. Jeskrad with a scream. Okay, so Jehoger is in a whisper. Miautach is enticing. The word miau means to lure someone over. Okay, convince someone. Enticing probably makes sense here. A chur that put. Echoga are wings. Okay, erachri on his heart. Okay. So let's go ahead and read it. So all sheer a dort kira jehoger maltach a chur etchoga erachri. Okay.
So wings are pronounced.
Etchoga. You know the word echelon is related to it. Etchoga. Yeah. Yeah. If you have things that end in og or either og this way or og this way, if you take the og off, you sometimes can find another Irish word that's related to it. Okay. So, 19. When shesumin asanjoch, so he took a sip from the drink. The word bain has a lot of meanings. Basic idea is to take something from somewhere. So he took a drink is when shesumin, and he took it asanjoch out of the drink. So he took a sip out of the drink. Okay, sumin. So other than the words, not much we got to do there. Okay? So one sumin asanjoch. Okay? Number 20. Vi blas jas milish air. So it had a nice sweet taste. Literally there was a taste, nice and sweet on it. So was taste, nice, sweet on it. So it has a taste on it in Irish. Okay, vi blas jas milish air.
Vi blas jas milish air.
Okay. And fichachen. Dolce a rev saglina. So he drank what was in the glass. Dolce a rev saglina. So a couple more expressions like that. Literally what it was is drank he that was in the glass. And so a couple more examples like that. If you want to say he ate all he saw. Jishe awakashe. So ate he that saw he. Or I heard all that you said, or I heard what you said. Hulame adortu. So heard I that said you. Ulame adortu. Or the way you say that's all, shinawil.
Shinawil.
That is. Okay, shinawil.
That's ironic,
Okay.
'cause that's what the Irish guy said to me today.
Yeah.
Like, I got shin before you started talking too fast.
Shinawil. Okay. So Fichado 22. Honig Marbal Gotoben. So he suddenly got dizzy. Literally, dizziness came on him suddenly. Dizziness on him suddenly. Honig Marbal Gotoben.
Anik merwal ergataban.
Okay, and so in Irish, a lot of things that you feel are on you, and so the way you start to feel them is they come on you. Okay, so I got a headache. Honig tinnaskeen autumn.
Anik chiraskin
So
aram.
came a headache, came a sickness of head on me, or a headache came on me. Okay, or you want to say he got very thirsty. Since you have thirst.